So starting the test drive in this Traverse here, I will say it has a very strong 4-cylinder here with a turbocharger. And I like with the steering wheel, I don't know if this just has to do with having the Super Cruise package or whatever, but the padding is very thick, very comfortable. But we're gonna test out the driving dynamics and the Super Cruise as we get on the interstate here momentarily. But I'm actually liking the comfort here. Even though this isn't actual leather, we have that Evo Text, it still feels very comfortable. Having the adjustable seat is nice. And then just also having that 4-way power lumbar support is nice as well. We're gonna slow it down here and just give it a little pull. Now that was just merging on the interstate. I wasn't flooring it by any means, but it was very impressive how this car got up to speed. I'm gonna see if I can test out the Super Cruise here. So there's the Super Cruise there. It's doing all the work. The lane centering, the keeping the safe distance between myself and the vehicle in front of me. Now this will try an auto lane change if you don't turn it off. And just where I'm only going down an exit, I have to kind of stop it from what it's doing. But just a great software there. It's always been, at least as many times as I have used it, it's been very, very impressive. And it amazes me with the sticker price of this vehicle being under $55,000, just what you get here. You don't get cooled seats, but other than that, it has everything that I would want in a vehicle for road trips. You have 3-stage heated seats, you have your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto wirelessly, the sunroof is a nice touch. The powertrain is actually, I mean, this 4-cylinder gets up. It pulls, it really does. But then, of course, just having the Super Cruise, that's a big plus. And I mean, your ride quality is very, very solid. Driving dynamics are pretty good. No complaints so far. Now, again, I think for the price point, this is a pretty good deal here. Now, you do get a lifetime powertrain warranty at my partner dealer, Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro. So if you're worried about the 2.5 Turbo 4, you're covered there for however long you own the vehicle. The 8-speed automatic has a pretty good track record with GM, as opposed to the 10-speed. Now the 10-speed is a very nice transmission. I do like how that operates, especially in the Cadillac CT5, the Escalade, Tahoes, things of that nature. But for this engine, I think the 8-speed is the perfect transmission to pair here. You're still able to get 24 miles per gallon highway, but you're not having to worry about all of those shift points. And all in all, I saw this vehicle at the New York Auto Show up close, I guess last month or month before. And now actually seeing it in person, driving it, it is as impressive as it was then. Really more so, because this one does have the Super Cruise. Actually being able to drive this and realize that you have that. If you do want to take this from the Nashville area here, it's a 12-hour trip to Miami, 9-10-hour trip to Orlando without stops. If you want to go to Disney World, it'll just make that trip that much easier having the Super Cruise here. And it's just, the looks for me are what are most impressive. When I first saw this, I guess end of last year, beginning of this year, just the pictures I saw online, the videos, I knew that the Traverse looked good, but I was skeptical about how it would actually look in person. And just seeing it here, the pictures don't even do it justice. It's just a very aggressive, yet beautiful piece of art here. That's just the best way to describe it. I love the LED headlamps, LED tail lights. They took a lot again from the Blazer EV's design, and I just think they knocked it out of the park with this, especially for the price point. And with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2024 Chevy Traverse Z71.